Welcome traders, let me show you this and then the choice will be yours. So every day on this pair, there are 3 places in which you can enter the market. It is from the beginning of the London session. These boxes that I have highlighted, I just highlighted the first candle of the session. And if you know this strategy, if price closes below the box that I have drawn, I sell. If it closes above, I buy. Okay, so you have the opportunity from the beginning of the London session, and then you also have another opportunity from the beginning of the New York session, and then your last opportunity is at the end of the London session. Okay, and it is very, very rare that you lose in all these places. What usually happens is that if you miss it here, you will get it right here. If you miss it right here, you will get it right definitely on the last opportunity. I'm going to show you more examples so that you can see what I'm talking about. Before I do that, those of you who are new, still looking for brokers, I recommend FX View. Okay, it's got low spreads. Let me show you the trading platforms. I think I've gone past them. These ones, MT5, 4, and Act Trader. Here are your funding methods. Okay, and if you open an account here, I will add you in my private group. Of course, after funding the account, I will add you in my private group, and then I will explain these strategies in further details. So for now, let me just jump maybe to the beginning so that we can look at what I am showing you right now. Okay, I'm on the 15 minutes time frame, but this strategy is also applicable on the 5 minutes time frame. In fact, I like to use the 5 minutes time frame. It gives me a clearer picture. So you mark the first candle on the 5 minutes time frame. You would have taken a buy trade, and then you would have had these pips. Okay, so the first entry was a win, but if you didn't win right here, you would win right here. Okay, see that if you mark the first candle, price closes below, you get all those pips. Okay, you get all those pips. The idea right here, traders, is that you can use the Martingale strategy, okay, because we can't ignore the power of that strategy. And for that strategy, let's say you started with 1 trade here. If you lose it on your second chance, you can place 2 trades so that if you win right here, 1 will cover that loss and then 1 will be your profit. If you miss it right here, you can then on the last chance get in with 4 trades so that you can cover these 3 trades, and then the remaining one is your profit. So you always remain above. And the reason for this is that it's very much rare that you lose everywhere. See right here, you could have won on your first attempt. Okay, could have made all those profits. Let's see right here. Okay, you would have lost your first trades, and then you would have made it on your second attempt. You see that? Let's check here. Let's check here. You would have made it on your first attempt. Okay, there's no need for this, because once you make it on your first attempt, just go and play. You will see the next day. Don't try and attempt the following attempts, because you might just lose and then you spoil the pattern. Okay, let's rush. So you would have made it on your first attempt on this fall. Okay, let's check right here. Okay, what's happening here? I'm sure you'd have entered a sell trade down there, and then you lost, and then you would have made it on your second attempt. Okay, I'll explain this strategy further on the private group. For now, I just want to show you the basics. Okay, you would have made it on your first attempt. Okay, you would have made it right there. Okay, let me check. Let's check right here. You would have made it on your second attempt. Okay, on your second attempt, because if you mark the first candle right here, price starts by closing above, so you would have entered a buy trade. Okay, maybe even on the first attempt you could have made profit. Okay, let's see here. You have entered a buy trade. First attempt you make it. Okay, even though the second one also was a good trade, you see that we haven't come across a bad day so far. Here you'd have made it on your first attempt. Okay, even though this one was also good. Okay, here comes a bad day. Okay, you wouldn't have made it here. If I mark the first candle, I can say price closed below first. Okay, it closed here. I'm not sure if you could have gotten out early enough right there. Okay, let's remove this. I don't know whether you could have gotten early here, but then if you were to hold, this wasn't a good day at all. Okay, let's check. So right here you could have made it on the last attempt. Okay, on the last attempt. So what I can say is that whenever you make profit, always save for the worst day so that you can be able to start all over. Once you have those savings, you can enjoy your profits every day, knowing that in case a bad day comes, you'll be able to start over again. So right here you could have made it on your second attempt. Okay, you could have made it. Is it on the last attempt? Okay, I'm checking what I did when I was analyzing. It's like you could have made it on the last attempt. Here it wasn't good. Okay, so let's say it was on the last attempt. You see that you have a lot of good days to cater for the bad day. You could have entered a buy trade there. Okay, first attempt. Okay, and the last attempt was also good. Here comes another bad day. Okay, another bad day. I already did the analysis, so that's why I'm not checking that much. Let's see here. If I can just give you the summary, in 21 days there were only 2 bad days. 2 bad days. You could have made it on your second attempt. Okay, even though the last attempt was also good. Okay, so there were only 2 bad days in 21 days. Let me end here for now. Okay, you could have made it I'm not sure. On the last attempt, price closed below. Could have sold there. Okay, so let me end here, traders. Thank you for watching, and do make attempts to be in my private group. because there will come a time where I focus on that group alone. Okay, so you could have made it on your last attempt, even on the second attempt. Okay, so thank you so much, traders. Thank you. See you on my next video. See you on my next video. Okay, just checking. Second attempt was good. Okay, thank you.